Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be photographing these pushback earrings. Generally these are very hard to capture due to the design of the earrings. So we're just going to put our smartphone in front. We're going to click into camera. We're going to position the phone so that the jewelry is in the center. So just like that, as you can see, the screen's already on a white background. We're going to tap the green button to capture. On this screen here, you have the option to add the SKU number. You don't have to. If you do, you simply click into the SKU, type the name, and hit save. For videos, we simply click into video mode. You can click into the cog to change your angle to 360, 90 or 45. The speed option here gives you the option to record your video in fast mode, which is 15 seconds, or slow, which is 30 seconds. For this video, we're going to do 360 degrees and fast. The video and photo is saved into your gallery. To view them, simply click into the photo or video. This is the photo. The next piece we're going to shoot is drop earrings. So over here we've got two beautiful blue drop earrings that we're going to use for our demonstration. So similar to the pushback earrings that we shot just then, these are generally quite hard to capture as well due to its design. There's not many stands out there or holders out there that allows you to suspend these earrings nicely inside the light box. I'm going to put our reflector back on. We're going to position our phone in front again. We're just going to zoom out to make sure that the earrings are nicely fitted onto the screen. I think that looks pretty good. Now the first thing we're going to do is photos. We're simply going to click back into the photo mode and we're just going to capture, and we hit save. Now the really cool thing about the GemLightbox application is that instead of putting your hands back in and moving the jewelry around, you can simply click the arrow keys on the side, which automatically rotates your earrings inside the box to another angle. So this is a side shot of the drop earrings. We're just going to click to capture. Let's rotate this back to the front before we go to video mode. So this feature here allows you to capture multiple shots of your jewelry very quickly and easily. Perfect for selling on social media platforms such as eBay, Amazon, where they let you upload up to 9 to 10 photos at once. So now we're just going to click onto video. To shoot the video again, we simply just tap the red button. So as I mentioned before, you can also change different angles by going to settings. You can do 90 degrees, 45 degrees, fast or slow video. So after this 360 video, I'm just going to quickly show you what the earrings look like if we do a quick 45-degree video. So simply click into the settings. Click 45, let's do a 30-second video this time, and we're just going to hit record. So instead of rotating the full 360, the app only rotates the jewelry at a 45-degree angle very slowly. This is perfect if you don't want to show the back of your jewelry and you only want to show the customer the front of the jewelry. And we're just going to hit save. We're just going to go into gallery just to visit what we captured just then in this video. This is our 45-degree video. This is our 360. And this is our still image, side angle and front angle. Now, to upload onto your social media or email these photos or videos to your customers, you simply click the export button in the corner. The app will automatically bring up all the options and settings on your phone. As you can see here, you can choose Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp or email.